Hey there, health warriors. Today we're diving straight into a game changer. No fluff, just pure, unadulterated truth. Your grandma's old-time recipe might just be the secret weapon against high cholesterol that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about. Yes, you heard that right. Grab your aprons, smash that like button, and let's get cooking. The ancient elixir. What's in grandma's pot? Forget the flashy ads and the glossy pills. Sometimes the best solutions are found in the heart of our kitchens. Grandma's recipe is all about simplicity and natural goodness. Here's what she used. 1. Garlic, nature's own cholesterol buster. Packed with allicin, it lowers LDL cholesterol and boosts heart health. 2. Apple cider vinegar. This tangy liquid is a miracle worker for balancing cholesterol levels and improving digestion. 3. Honey, not just for sweetness. Honey has antioxidants that help fight bad cholesterol. 4. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, it helps reduce total cholesterol and cleanse your liver. 5. Ginger. This spicy root fights inflammation and can lower cholesterol levels. The recipe: a heart-saving brew. Ready to whip up this life-changing concoction? Here's how you do it. Ingredients: 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, nor 1 teaspoon of honey. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Instructions: 1. Mix all the ingredients in a cup of warm water. 2. Stir well and let it sit for a few minutes. 3. Drink this powerful potion every morning on an empty stomach. The science behind the magic. You might be wondering, is this really better than statins? Let's break it down with some science. Garlic. Studies have shown that garlic can reduce cholesterol levels by 10 to 15%. It also lowers blood pressure and has anti-inflammatory properties. Apple cider vinegar. Research suggests that it can help reduce total cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Honey and lemon. These two work together to enhance heart health, reduce oxidative stress, and improve your immune system. Ginger. This root has been shown to lower cholesterol and triglycerides, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Why Big Pharma hates this recipe? Big Pharma spends billions pushing statins, which come with a laundry list of side effects: muscle pain, digestive problems, and even increased blood sugar levels. Grandma's recipe, on the other hand, is natural, affordable, and side effect free. It's a win-win. Real-life testimonials. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some real-life testimonials. Sarah, 52. I started drinking this mixture a month ago, and my cholesterol levels have dropped significantly. I feel more energetic and healthier overall. Mike, 45. I was skeptical at first, but this recipe has done wonders for my cholesterol. Plus, it tastes great. Final thoughts. So there you have it, health warriors. A powerful, natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. Ditch the expensive statins with their nasty side effects and embrace grandma's wisdom. Your heart will thank you. Remember, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word and keep our hearts healthy the natural way. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you next time.